Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. And for today, we are going to set up our KNUST student emails on Microsoft Outlook. This setup is actually essential for managing our university communications effectively and obtaining all the benefits it comes together with. Right. So first off, I guess you've noticed that our student emails are not like any other random Gmails, right? And that's because it's an exchange account. So, what's an exchange account? An exchange account, like the one used for our student email, is part of the Microsoft's Exchange server system. This type of account is more than just an email service, but then it integrates several essential tools to help us manage our academic lives effectively. Notable is that it gives us access to student verifications on many platforms. Example is some engineering software like AutoCAD and even some social media platforms like LinkedIn. Right, so let's get on to our setup. But then for this video, it's assumed that we've already installed Microsoft Outlook via Microsoft Store or probably as part of the Microsoft Office suite. Let's get on.